Guys, today I want to show you how to remove Cloudflare from Google Chrome. So this is a common problem for developers. So you need to just clear the Chrome cache. So the next time you visit a website that is using Cloudflare, you will be able to use it with no problem. So head over to Open Google Chrome and then click on the three dots here. Just click on Settings. And now head over and click over Privacy and Security and just select Delete Browsing Data. So here you don't need to just delete your browser history. You can uncheck this and we need to delete cookies. And caching images and files. Just clear out the cache without just deleting the browser history here. And hit on Delete Data. And that's it, guys. The next time you visit the website that is using Cloudflare, you will be able to run everything smoothly. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.